Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Talk with Thon, the place where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Thon.
Hi, Thon. Hello, everyone listening. I'm Dany, and I'm really excited to be here today.
You sound very energetic. Did you have a good breakfast today?
Yes, I had eggs, toast, orange juice, and of course, my coffee.
Coffee is essential for our English chats. I have mine too, hot and delicious.
Perfect. So, Thon, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very useful for English learners: how to use new English words in real life.
That's great. Many people learn new words, but forget them when they try to speak.
Exactly. Seeing a word in a book is easy, but using it in conversation can be tricky. Today, we'll share simple tips to make new words part of your daily life.
Sounds good. But first, a quick note for everyone listening. If you like this podcast, please like the video and subscribe to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Yes, and share it with your friends who are learning English. The more, the merrier. My first tip is the label method.
Label method, what's that?
Write new English words on small pieces of paper, then stick them on objects in your house.
Ah, so if I learn mirror, I put the paper on my bathroom mirror.
Exactly. Every time you see it, say the word mirror.
That's smart. You can do the fridge, doors, windows, even the table.
Yes, and beginners can also write sentences like, the fridge is cold.
What about words that are not objects, like happy or busy?
Good question. For those, try talking to yourself in the mirror.
Talking to the mirror sounds funny.
It may sound funny, but it works. Make small sentences with your new words.
For example,
If you learned excited, you could say, I am excited today because my friend is getting married.
that makes sense, and you won't feel shy because no one is watching.
Exactly.
Sometimes I even talk to my dog when practicing English.
Does your dog understand you?
Not really, but he listens carefully and wags his tail.
That's perfect. Pets are the best listeners. They never correct your grammar. Another useful method is recording your voice on your phone.
How does that help?
Pick 3 new words daily, make a sentence for each, and record yourself.
Then listen to it later?
Yes, it helps with pronunciation and lets you see how much you improve. Like a voice diary. That's motivating.
Can we practice online too?
Yes, when you watch a video, leave a comment using your new word.
For example, if I learned breakfast, I could comment, "Today I ate a big breakfast."
Exactly. You're using English to communicate with real people, and there's no pressure because you can think before you type.
What about practicing outside?
I call this mental labeling.
What's that?
When walking, look around and say the English names of things in your head. Car, tree, building, sky.
And if I don't know a word?
Look it up on your phone and remember it. Real-life connection makes the words stick.
Any last tip?
Yes, connect new words with emotions or memories.
How does that help?
For example, vacation. Think about a happy trip you had. That feeling makes the word easier to remember.
That's very helpful.
Let's quickly recap. Label objects in your house, talk to yourself or your pet in the mirror, record your voice, use new words online, mentally label things outside, connect words with emotions.
Now we have a question for you. What's one new English word you learned this week?
Write it in the comments and try to make a sentence. We'd love to read them.
Thanks for listening today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Easy English Talk with Thon.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.